Hey, this is Jesse from DIY Music. Still working on that first episode of the Cellotar build video, but in the meantime, thought I'd show you this retrospective of all the demos I've done over the years with the various models, so check it out and enjoy. Hi, I'm Jesse Bond, and this is my homemade musical instrument, the Cellotar. You can play it sitting down, like a cello, or standing up, like a guitar. The Cellotar is guitar formatted with 4 strings, 24 frets, giving 2 full octaves in standard guitar tuning, E, A, D, G, for familiarity with guitar players. The only difference is the bow. Now I'm going to improvise a little jam using one of my new favorite iPod Touch apps, Improvox, which allows you to add real-time harmonies and effects running through any standard iPhone guitar interface. And I'm also going to be using AmpKit Plus to record the beat and the non-harmonized lead sounds. Now let's get a little backing beat going with my 1980s Casio Tone 7000. For more information about the Cellotar, visit cellotar.com, cellotar.com. Thanks for watching.
Thank you very much.
Just wanted to get a little demo video here for you, so you can hear what this thing sounds like. Reverb at 50% on an acoustic amp. It's the two lower strings together. You can also do the two higher together. Stuff like that. You can just take power chords and do different stuff with them. You can roll that tone knob was all the way down. You can roll it all the way up and do pluck stuff. A little bit of a banjo-like quality. And you can do lead. Something like that.
said we should worry the boys outside ran. Here they hurry, Mom held tight to the ground. It was made of grass as the house burned down so fast.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when future episodes go live. And coming soon to Cellotar.com are downloadable plans for purchase, so you can build your own Cellotar along with me for around $100. Interested? Hit the contact form on the website, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time!